Here is a super quick video on how to find the slope from two ordered pairs. So if we graphed these and connected them, there would be a line that connects these 2 points, and we're trying to find the slope of that line. So to start, we need to remember our slope formula when we have 2 points. So that's m equals y2 minus y1. This just means how much it changed going up and down, which is exactly what we do when we count on a graph, and x2 minus x1. And again, that's how much it's changed going side to side. So the hardest part about these problems for students is labeling the ordered pairs. So remember the first set, this is an x and this is a y, this is an x and this is a y. But to know where to put them in our formula, we need to make sure that they line up. So like if I want to subtract my x terms, I can't subtract the x here from here and then do the y and do this side first and then this side. It's going to mess up my answer and not give me a correct answer. So we have to make sure we do it in the correct order. So we're going to call x1 and y1. That shows us that those two numbers should be aligned when we line them up in our formula, and x2 and y2. So I'm going to show you here in a second what I mean by that. So my y2 is 5. And the partner that goes with y2, so this 4, should be right below it. So that's why it's important that we label them, because we want to make sure we subtract in the correct order. So I have the 5. I'm going to take away, in this case, the next one is -5. And the -5 is with this x value of 2, so that should be right below it. And then we can go ahead and solve this. So the top 5 minus -5, remember if you put this in your calculator, that minus and negative is going to turn it into an adding sign. So 5 minus -5 is actually a positive 10, and then 4 minus 2 is 2. And if you get this, you should think about how would I reduce this? Well, I can divide the top and the bottom both by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So my slope is either 5 or 5/1. Either one would work.